And Europe, very much the center of the pandemic, now overtaking China in terms of new confirmed cases of coronavirus. Now, the country that is still very much in the eye of the storm is Italy. New numbers saying that the total cases are now above 35,000, and the number of deaths are moving close to 3,000 cases. Now, we've all seen those pictures of hospitals and doctors really trying to keep up with the number of patients. But it's not just Italy at this stage, I should say. You're looking at also countries like Spain. We've seen the number of confirmed cases really rocket over the past 48 hours, now topping 13,000 cases. And the government warning we're going to see painful days ahead. And the number of measures that have been put on the table, of course, we've seen countries go into a full lockdown. We're also seeing more countries go that way, Belgium being the latest one to tell its citizens you should really stay at home unless you're trying to cover very basic necessities such as going to a supermarket or going to a pharmacy. If that's not the case, you should really try to stay at home. This is very contagious. Now, on an overall picture now, you're looking at more than 200,000 cases confirmed around the world. European leaders saying this is almost like a war now. It's a war-like scenario. You're fighting an enemy that is invisible, but nonetheless, it's right there. And the WHO is still saying everyone needs to take precautions. This is not just affecting the elderly. It's very contagious, and we're not done yet. Of course, keeping a very close eye going forward into Italy and those numbers. The hope, the expectation is that once Italy peaks, the rest of Europe should follow suit. But I should point out the numbers are not pointing that way yet.